amigos and amigas, how are you all doing? ¿Cómo estás? All that good stuff. Yeah, spring is very slow to come today. The cherry blossoms aren't blossoming very quick. It's, what is it, March 22nd-ish? And they're barely popping open. So, it's been colder than normal. It's supposed to be around 0 at night this week. And so, yeah, I want to get the convertible out, but I might have to wait another week or two. So, yeah. Oh well, is what it is. Okay, noisy traffic, so I'll have to speak up. Anyways, I had pizza at this wood-fired pizza place, and hold on, too loud. And the owner ended up seeing my jacket, which was a Winnipeg jacket, and she's from Winnipeg, so anyways, yeah, too loud. Let's go somewhere quieter. Try this. This is a little bit quieter. So she asked me, do I just have the jacket, or am I actually from Winnipeg? And I told her, yeah, I'm from Winnipeg, blah, blah, blah. So she asked, oh, well, how do you like the prices here in comparison to back there? And I said, yeah, just absurd. Totally absurd, because who can afford $1 million houses? And she said, yeah, that was one of the issues. The other is, because she partially owns that little pizza restaurant, she said that she can't find workers. She says, it's impossible. I never get a break. I'm always working. So I'm actually thinking about moving back to Winnipeg, she says, mainly because also her mother is alone now. Her father died, and she's not too sure what she wants to do with that, whether to go and stay with her mom. And so she's, yeah. So that's her situation. She's trying to decide whether to move back or not. And she was asking questions, and I said, yeah, wages are much higher there. That's what I find anyways. So, yeah. So wearing this, any jet skier, Winnipeg jet skier, it always gets attention. Somebody says something, oh, you're from Winnipeg, or they'll yell, go Jets, go, or oh, they're doing good this year. So if I ever want to get in a conversation with somebody, just wear my stuff. Okay, boys and girls, don't mind the crazy hair. Kind of woke up just recently. And yeah, it's dinner time, supper time, so we're going to make up a meal. And yeah, I don't know if you can see. I don't care where I am, I just start cooking in the middle of a busy street by where the bank was. I had to go get some money for the week. And yeah, so let's show you what we got going here.
Oh, chef, hey, you're on next. I know. I know.
Picking up some kind of chicken meal curry / whatever. I don't know what to call it. We're going to put a red pepper in it. We got some green onions. Underneath is fresh garlic. Yeah, curry sauce. It's not a green onion, actually. I don't know what it is. Some kind of Asian big, huge onion. And we're going to do that in a bit of coconut milk. So I'm going to throw a bit of coconut milk. Oh, don't get the paper in there. Extra flavor. So yeah, we're going to boil that all up with some rice. We'll simmer the chicken first and then rice next. I got coconut rice. So, yummy.
Chicky dish, chef.
See, I don't care where I'm making supper. Busy intersection-ish. People coming, walking and going. Cars traveling from the grocery store here. But, yeah. Okay. A little bit of chicken. Over a bit of rice. Coffee. And a little bit of NASCAR. There we go. Oh, son of a bitch. Very tasty indeed. After I dripped it all over the floor, the syrup. Yeah, we'll see you. Oh, you're leaving?
Yeah.
this guy in this van? What's he doing here? Oh, he's got a friend. He's got a squirrel out to jump on his hood. Check this out. Crazy squirrel. I want to take a picture, but
I'm thinking of getting a new phone for this thing. Well, I'm going to try buying a battery first and then see if that helps. But
hi, how you doing?
hey there. Oh.
Ghosts of the past and the present and the future.
Poltergeist got nothing on us.
Okay, boys and girls, we are going to try and take advantage of my Boston Pizza gift certificate that I won at work. I'm gonna go see if they got the Jets game playing on their TV screens, have a beer, pizza, or something like that. Yeah, Jets and Toronto Maple Leafs. Oh, should be an awesome game. Go Jets, go.
That's really it for this one, guys. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, as always, stay awesome.